So we have our knowns. We have our first capacitance of 7.7 microfarads, or we can say 7.7 times 10 to the negative 6 farads. We have our first velocity of 165 volts, and we have our first velocity. And then V sub 2 would equal 15 volts. And we're trying to find C sub 2. So we know that Q total is going to be equal to Q1F plus Q2F. And this will equal C1V1. Now at this point, after the first capacitor is disconnected from the battery, the charge is going to be constant. So the voltage across each capacitor must be the same when they're connected. So Q sub 1F would equal C sub 1 V sub 1. And then Q sub 2F would equal C sub 2 V sub 2. So now we're getting that C sub 1 V sub 1 plus C sub 2 V sub 2 equals C sub, my apologies, this is going to be Q1 final would be C sub 1 V sub 2, and the Q2 final would be C sub 2 V sub 2. So here we would have C sub 1 V sub 2 plus C sub 2 V sub 2 equals C sub 1 V sub 1. There we go. And at this point now we can solve for C sub 2 and say that C sub 2 is going to be equal to C sub 1 V sub 1 divided by V sub 2 minus 1. And now we can solve. So C sub 2 would equal 7.7 times 10 to the negative 6th. And then this would be 165 divided by 15 minus 1. And we find that C sub 2 is going to be equal to 7.7 times 10 to the negative 5th farads, approximately. So this would be our capacitance sub 2. That's the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.